Tell me about yourself. I'm Carlos Sadenia. I live here in Tondo, Manila, and I'm 48 years old. I'm a graduate of high school here in uh, here in Tondo High School, and I have a BPO experience. I have finished my 3 months seasonal contract with Concentrix, and I handle under a financial account, which the task that is given to me is to do outbound and inbound call for customers for collection, and that's all. And how would you handle a situation where a customer is extremely dissatisfied, start shouting, demand to speak to a supervisor? To handle an irate customer, at first we have to be actively listen to their concerns, and um, give empathy after they speak. Give empathy to them. uh, Show them that you understand their concern and all the problems they have been going through, and then um, find a solution for them, and do not at first do not this is very important, do not contradict the customers, especially those irate customers or angry customers. Do not argue with them because the tension will escalate. So we better to show them that we care for them and we feel the same way that they feel. Then find a solution for them, so that, and reassure them that you can reassure that the problem will not be happen again. Okay. As a senior team member, you're assigned to assist a new hire who frequently asks you questions even during your call with customer, which is affecting your performance. How would you address this situation? Yes, as a senior team member, when my colleagues or um, when a new hire always ask me during our calls, um, if he ask me on that time during his or her call, I will answer. Uh, I will give him or her the answer that he needed for that moment. But after that, I will ask him to be knowledgeable or do his assignment or learn more about his duty and as a call center agent. And but at the time he will call you or he will ask you, you must answer them. But after that, you talk to him one on one. That's all. And your company has implemented a new policy that customer is unhappy with. How would you educate and reassure your customers to prevent cancellation? Okay. Um, when okay, when I countered a customer that was being unhappy with the new policy, um, I will I will explain to them the good benefits for this new policy of the company, and uh, of course we will not we will not um, and of course we will not tell him that we are also unhappy with the, wait a moment, and of course we are not also tell the customer that we the customer agent we are with the call center agent is not also happy with the new policy of the company. That is bad. Okay? Uh, what we are going to do is just to explain the benefits that they will receive with the new policy, and reassure to them that this policy will be more they will be more beneficial with that policy, and so that they will prevent from cancellation of what you are offering to the customer.